You yawn and suddenly your eyes are leaking like crazy? What the heck? Are you crying from boredom? Nope. Yawning is secretly hijacking your face. When you open wide, your eye muscles squeeze like a fist. That squeeze pushes on the tear glands and little drainage bags. Tears get forced out. Boom! Instant waterworks. It's not emotion, it's just physics doing a prank on your eyes. The bigger the yawn, the harder the squeeze, the more you cry. Completely normal. Totally weird. Next yawn you take, watch your eyes betray you and drop a tear. Bet you can't stop noticing it now.